Greetings and thank you for enrolling in the Salesforce Administrator Certification course. My name is Mike Wheeler and I have 6 Salesforce certifications, and I have a lot of experience passing these exams for the Salesforce platform, and I want to pass along this knowledge to you. And so, first of all, you could verify my certifications by going to certification.salesforce.com. Click on the verification tab at the top and then search on my name, Mike Wheeler. From there, you'll be able to see the dates that I passed the various certification exams. So just real quickly, those certifications that I have are the Administrator, Developer, Advanced Administrator, Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and Platform App Builder certifications. So the front end of this class is organized so that we cover some conceptual things and some foundational issues related to Salesforce in general. These are modules that I've created to answer questions that I've literally had to answer dozens of times whenever I talk to someone about considering getting trained on the Salesforce platform. Some of the inevitable first questions are, well, what is Salesforce? There's a lot of misconceptions about what it is, a lot of lack of understanding as far as how the platform works and how companies use the platform to meet their own business needs. It's grown well beyond just a customer relationship management application and is now a full-blown platform where you can create and customize your own applications in the cloud. There's a lot of misunderstandings around what the cloud even is, and so I am going to cover some of those things like the history of Salesforce, what cloud computing is, and try to relate that to what the opportunities are for you in 2016 and beyond. And so bear with me if some of that is not new to you, and so you feel free to skip that if you don't need that. And then I've structured the meat of the course, though, to go through the Certified Admin Study Guide that Salesforce provides. And so this study guide is downloadable as a PDF, so you can just search for it on Google, search for Salesforce Certified Administrator Study Guide. And you'll notice in that study guide that it's divided into sections, and there's a reason why they've divided this into the sections that they have. Like roughly on page 4, it starts going into the objective section, and you'll want to download this and follow along. And I'll make it available through the resources of the course as well and link to it, make sure that you find it. But it gives you the objective and the weighting of the course for each section, and so it's divided up into 15 different sections. And so I've got 15 primary sections to the course that correspond with these 15 sections of the study guide. I remember when I was newer on the platform and studying for my developer certification and my admin certification, there were things on the test that I'd never heard of and never encountered. I want to spare you that by making sure that we cover everything in this course so that you don't hear about something brand new for the first time while you're sitting for an exam. And if you do run across something that you've never heard of, you can rest assured that it's a trick question or something that's been made up so that you know or can rule that out as a possible answer. So these sections that we'll be running through are the organization setup, the user setup, the global user interface, security and access, standard and custom objects, Sales Cloud applications, Service Cloud applications, activity management, chatter, data management, content and folder management, reports and dashboards, workflow automation, desktop and mobile administration, and finally App Exchange. So as you can tell, there's a lot of material to cover, and so this is not something that you're going to learn in one day. This is not a course where there's no crazy promises as far as getting certified in 8 hours or something like that. It's going to require some study on your part and some work, but it's well worth it. To me, the Salesforce platform was an attainable way for me to get a career in the cloud. And so I believe that you probably believe the same thing. You see that as a possibility, and I'm here to tell you that you can do it. It is attainable if you're willing to work for it. You'll find yourself gainfully employed and fighting off the recruiters. So let's launch into the next module, and I look forward to taking this ride with you. And be sure that you leave comments in the course and correspond with me. Let me know how it's going if you have any questions. And as well, certainly once you pass your exam, please let me know. I like to keep track of how my students are doing, and I wish you the best of luck, and thank you